In this tutorial, we're going to look at setting up the machinery. We're in main menu at the moment. We go to setup menu and we go to machinery. This is a fairly straightforward screen to use. The first field is the name of the machine. What you type in here is what will turn up on your spray diary reports and your instruction sheets, so just make sure that you're quite clear about the description you use. The model isn't a critical field. It doesn't go anywhere. It's background information. It does not need to be filled in. The third field is the size, and that refers to the tank size, the number of litres, capacity of the tank. And the fourth field is the hourly cost. Now the hourly cost includes the tractor. We don't normally track tractors because it just adds another layer of detail that really is normally not necessary. If you have a really big operation with multiple tractors, we do have a module which does allow you to track tractors, but on most occasions it's just not necessary. Just remember that hourly cost includes the tractor and the cost of the rig, but it doesn't include the cost of the operator. The operator is tracked separately. The size, just one issue with size, we sometimes have growers saying that the tank size that they have on a particular machine is, for example, 2,200 litres, but they normally don't fill it to the top. They normally fill it to 2,000 litres. In that circumstance, I would suggest that you put 2,000 in this field, not 2,200. Let's now go and have a look at how to set up a herbicide unit. When this checkbox is checked, this field opens up. It is a spray width per row. Now what it's referring to is that usually when spraying herbicides, there is a strip sprayed up either side of the butt of the tree. The whole row is not normally covered. And so what we're trying to establish here is the sprayed area of a row. So in this case, 2.5 metres means that each strip is 1.25 wide. The two added together gives us our 2.5. If you have a machine that you tend to change the settings and the spray width occasionally, that's fine. What I'd suggest in this screen is that you use the most commonly used setting as your default. And in the spray diary screen itself, you have the ability to change the spray width on any given spray, even doing a total row width cover to any other width can be adjusted on the day, but just set this field up to the most commonly used default. If you want to set up a spot sprayer, I'd suggest that you set up the machine in the normal way, check the box that says is it a herbicide unit, and I'd just put a number in there just in the spray width per row of 1. It doesn't really matter what you do because of course the spot sprayer doesn't rely on spraying strips or on having a particular spray volume. So in the spray diary tutorials you'll find that there is an explanation of how to handle spot spraying in terms of how it gets recorded in the spray diary.